Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about AMC Entertainment. Is AMC Entertainment a buy at $8.22? Well, I hope to answer that question for you guys by the end of the video. So let's get started and really dive in a little bit deeper about AMC Entertainment, what's been going on with the stock, kind of what's been happening altogether. So if we take a look at the 1 week chart, as you guys can see, AMC Entertainment is actually up 38.26%. which is pretty good. A lot of people were kind of wondering, why all of a sudden is AMC Entertainment rallying? Well, there's been a lot of key factors for AMC Entertainment that's kind of been pushing the stock upward a little bit. So if you guys didn't know, within the recent kind of like last couple of months, we could definitely see that there's this huge spike here on January 27th, 2021. That was just due to the simple fact that a lot of these stocks with a lot of short float were kind of being pushed upward, right? More like a Reddit fueled rally, which led AMC Entertainment to actually start going to new levels. And it was actually very good for AMC Entertainment. Because of this, AMC Entertainment was able to sell a bunch of stock at $20, which did actually help them save from bankruptcy. So AMC Entertainment recently did roll out bankruptcy, which was a very good thing. Company coming out and saying, okay, like we're going to be fine. But in other news, there's actually been a lot of other good news for AMC Entertainment. And there's actually a lot of people who are kind of starting to consider, AMC Entertainment as an investment. Overall, AMC Entertainment's outlook is looking pretty good from here. So diving in a little bit deeper, AMC Entertainment, right? We actually got recent news that New York City actually plans on reopening up its movie theaters on March 5th, which is pretty good, right? So that's within the coming weeks that, all right, movie theaters are now going to operate at 25% capacity in New York City. And the great thing about New York City is the fact that New York City holds probably the most business for movie theaters, which is also going to be a very good sign. It's definitely going to help its outlook on its earnings. So we do have AMC Entertainment earnings actually coming up on the 9th of March. I don't really know what to expect for their earnings altogether. I don't expect their earnings to be as bad as they were like the last earnings, but I also don't expect their earnings to actually be through the roof either. So it's definitely going to be interesting to see how AMC Entertainment actually does on their earnings. But with movie theaters opening back up, and people are going to definitely be euphoric about the feeling of wanting to go back to the movie theaters. It's a luxury that a lot of people have not had in a very long time. So I can almost tell that a lot of these box offices are definitely going to break records for the longest time. Like I said, just due to the simple fact that a lot of the people have not been able to go to the movie theaters. Even for me, who loves to go to the movie theaters, has not been able to go to the movie theaters. Kind of been aching to go watch a movie, get some popcorn, grab a soda, and just kind of sit there and relax. It's a very fun experience and an experience that's never going to go away. I know a lot of people do argue with the popularity of streaming services altogether that, AMC Entertainment is, movie theaters are definitely out of style, that they're no longer going to be a very good investment. But for me, I actually think the business model for movie theaters is a very good business model. And I actually think it's a luxury that no one's ever going to go away. With the influx of business, we're definitely going to see a lot of influx of business, because a lot of people have not been able to go to the movie theaters. It's definitely going to help its outlook on its earnings. It's definitely going to help AMC Entertainment raise a lot of capital. And it's definitely going to help AMC Entertainment stay in the game. And in other great news, like the pandemic is slowly starting to subside. States are slowly trying to, basically start to reopen back up. A lot of states are converting tiers to the fact where like bars and movie theaters and restaurants are now starting to reopen to a specific capacity, which is definitely shows that, okay, if we're looking at it from a bullish outlook, whether it be a couple months away or even a year away, it goes to show, that things are definitely looking up for stocks like AMC Entertainment, which obviously did take a big hit because of the pandemic altogether. I mean, stock was trading as low as like $2. If we take a look here at the 1 year chart, stock was trading around $2 to $3. Obviously, you cannot be in close proximity spaces, so their earnings are just absolutely terrible. And a lot of people definitely thought that, okay, like AMC Entertainment is not going to make it through. But like it stated earlier in the video, AMC Entertainment was able to sell enough stock at the $20 range to help them keep them afloat, which is very, very good. So now, looking at it from a bigger question, the biggest question is AMC Entertainment a good buy at $8.31? Should people invest in this movie theater company? And for me, I actually do think AMC Entertainment is worth a buy at $8.30. Obviously, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion, but if we dive in a little bit deeper, as states start to reopen and as people have not been able to go to the movie theaters for a very long time, there's definitely going to be a lot of upside potential for AMC Entertainment, and there's definitely going to be a lot of upside potential for the stock in itself, but you can never rule out the fact that AMC Entertainment does carry a certain amount of short float. I believe it's somewhere around 67%. So if the stock does run up far enough, yes, there's always a potential chance at another short squeeze that the company can actually go to the absolute moon. No one really knows when that's going to happen, but we saw GameStop the other day. It was trading at $40 and then just randomly went up to almost $200 and nobody even understands why. That's kind of how the short float, short squeeze thing kind of works altogether. But AMC Entertainment fundamentally as a company has not been doing well, like airlines, like travel. It's just one of those industries that did not strive very well during the pandemic. It wasn't like EV and tech that were able to subside themselves and actually continue to grow through a pandemic. AMC Entertainment, along with a bunch of other stocks, we're kind of at the bottom foot of the pandemic. There's not really much what they could do. There was no way to raise capital and there was no way to reopen movie theaters altogether. But with the reopening, AMC Entertainment does have a potential chance of just straight recovery from here. I do think the stock is going to go to $20 again. I do see a lot of bullish upside potential in AMC Entertainment, and I do think the stock is worth an investment at $8.32. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC Entertainment stock. Do you guys think AMC Entertainment stock is worth a buy $8.30? If you guys own AMC Entertainment stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.